Grand Rising Kings, Queens, Gods, and Goddesses. Multi-exclusive dimensional being Kyle with another exclusive. Today's video is going to be about how to cure thyroid cancer. Because at the end of the day, if you don't utilize this, it's going to be taken out of your fucking throat. But no, this, excuse my language. I've been cursing a lot because I'm very disappointed and I'm very pissed off on the fucking lack of knowledge and wisdom that people are putting out here talking about how to cure this, how to cure that. But you're only creating more circumstances and situations on what they're telling you what you need to be cured when it's only one simple thing that's causing these cancers and these motherfucking problems. And that's mucus. Yes, I said it. Mucus is the cause of every disease on this internal vessel of yours in this internal world. And I'm going to tell you. Let's talk about it. What is a thyroid? Feel me? A thyroid is a butterfly gland. Is a let's just say it's a chakra in your throat internally, and it's used for you to actually digest, swallow, and you won't have any muscle or joint pains. You won't catch colds. Feel me? It's like actually a protection for you to not receive these things. At the end of the day, you're still gonna get sick, but of course, you need every piece and bone and structure in your motherfucking internal throat to release and spit out all of the mucus that's in your body that caused the cancer. Yeah, I said it. Cancer is a disease of membranes, cells, parasites, worms, tapeworms dropping their venom in your throat, in your internal system, because you didn't detox them out of your internal system. Now they creating worm number one, worm number two, worm number three, worm number four, and they just out here just dropping mucus and all kind of shit in your internal vessel. And I'm going to tell you that every time you inhabit or you consume something and you don't program it, it's gonna program you. And always remember that shit. Almost to the point it's gonna make you sick. It's gonna control you, make you lazy, give you the itis. Almost to the point this food is gonna give you arthritis. Yes, food give you arthritis, and that's just mucus, and that's just beans inside your system sucking up all your blood. So to the point where you don't have blood. And what are you? What are you when you don't have blood? You look weak. You look soft. You look sloppy. You look lazy. You look out of place. You look no energy, no spirit, no vessel, no nothing. Because you're being sucked internally by a parasite. For real. And it's crazy because these doctors, their treatments don't fucking help. They can give you motherfucking radiation cancer, radiation machines. What the fuck is a radiation gonna do for me if I need to fucking kill and destroy this shit out of me internally? They utilizing external shit to cure you when knowing that the internals is a separate concept. You can't see what's inside of your body unless you have a motherfucking scope to utilize and see what's going on there. And I'm telling you right fucking now, when you see what's in your motherfucking internal body, you gonna see worms, tapeworms, worms, all kind of worms in your body crawling around. These are parasites. These are vampires. These are succubus. These are demons in your body trying to demand you and trying to take every information and parasitic out of your motherfucking body. And your soul gotta fight this shit. Your vessels, your immune system, guys, cells gotta fight this shit. It's like motherfucking, you're blue, as in social, as in waters, and red is the blood, the parasites. So these two come clashing, combining together. This is internal vessels coming together. Now, if you eating junk food and shit, I'm not judging you. I'm not judging no person, place, or thing. But you gotta understand and understand when you eat these foods, program this food to go in your way. Program these foods to get information. Because if you don't do that shit, this food is gonna fucking do it to you and get information out of you and cause inflammation inside your internals. So basically, you doing chemotherapy You in taking pills and medicines, you taking all these treatments and shit from the doctors, and you're not cured, and you just come to an understanding when don't stand under, come to an understanding, understanding that if you're not sick, doctors is not gonna make money, so they need you to be sick. So they gonna tell you, mislead you, misguide you into certain things because they too fucking logical and they fucking retarded, stupid as fuck. They gonna tell you stupid shit, and they're gonna tell you what you should do, what you shouldn't do, and what they telling you what you shouldn't do is the shit that you should do, and that's actually detox your body. But of course, I'm not gonna hold y'all up. For me, I'm gonna really get to this shit. This right here is called Irish sea moss. You can get this on Alkaline Vegan Shop on Instagram website. It's called Irish sea moss, so it's very powerful. It got a lot of minerals, a lot of iron, a lot of energy. It's good for your throat, your thyroid. It cures, give you more hair, more strong nails, more strength, more energy. Like you pop four, six of them shits, three of them shits, I guarantee you, you're gonna have the most energetic force field that you have and need internally and externally. This shit is so powerful, man. I'm telling y'all, this shit will cure anything. This shit will cure cancer alone. That's how powerful this shit is. There's many more herbs out here. I'm not bashing the other herbs. I'm just saying Irish sea moss is the most powerful herb that I ever took, and that's the only thing that I actually really take. I take a lot of herbs. I take almost dozens of herbs, but Irish sea moss is so powerful. It'll cure that shit out of your throat. Feel me? And I'm not saying that this ain't the only one. Feel me? You gotta really talk this shit into existence too. You gotta feel cured. You gotta say it feels good to cure cancer out of my throat. It feels good to cure mucus out of my throat. It feels good to kill and destroy the disease that caused me to have cancer in my throat or thyroid cancer in my throat. You really gotta speak the shit into existence. You gotta have imagination. You gotta have creativity and stability. You gotta utilize the three vessels: your spirit, your soul, and your human vessel. And if you're not utilizing bringing the three together, then you're not gonna be cured. You're gonna be cured on the lower scale, but if you want to be cured on a higher scale, you gotta go deep with this shit. So basically, what I'm saying is like, once you actually utilize and put yourself in that mirror and believe in yourself that you can cure this shit on your own and not have to go to no fucking doctor, then that's just me saying that at the end of the day, believe in yourself. You're powerful. You have the cures already in your body internally. Now you need external references to actually push out the disease more, because all that shit you inherited, all that shit that was just sitting in your body, it rotted. It pretty much transformed into something, turned into worms. These are beings. At the end of the day, food is energy, and what happens if you eat a human being? You're gonna eat their fluids, whatever that's gonna turn into a being internally inside of them. Is gonna be maggots and all kind of deadly diseases, flies, bugs, all that shit. They're gonna be in your system living in you. That's like the first dimension right there. If you think about it, something that need more vessels, because that's the thought right there. For me, program. That's the feeling, emotion, expressed out to the physical. So that's pretty much how you cure thyroid cancer. I mean, you really don't need a thousand minute tutorial. Like, this is common sense. Like, it's if once the world get to the understanding and understanding that they are the cure and the cure is in their motherfucking body, they would like actually realize that the shit you eat ain't really good for you. Period. The shit you eat, you shouldn't really be eating it, period. Especially if it did this amount of much damage to you. You want to change your life. Get your ass in that gym. Exercise. Meditate. Go within. Speak things into existence. Look into that damn mirror and program yourself. And get some Irish sea moss and put this shit in your motherfucking throat and swallow. And I guarantee you, you go up for check-ins. The doctors be like, wait, you're cured. Or don't believe them. But don't fucking believe it. They're going to try to be like, oh, how did you get cured? Yada, yada, yada. Fuck all that shit. You ain't cure me, I cure myself. And y'all niggas ain't make no motherfucking money off me because I did it my motherfucking self. I believed in my motherfucking self. I cured my motherfucking self. I went within my motherfucking self. I ain't have to use or utilize you bitch ass, fake ass, out of this world ass doctors, because y'all not in this world. Because if y'all was in this world, y'all would know that this shit is common sense, and all this extra shit that y'all had to go to school for 20 years is something you can actually fucking learn and do just put your hands in it and turn around. Your spirit. Always understand and remember, your spirit created your motherfucking body. No doctor created your motherfucking body. So watch who you and taking information from. Real shit, multi exclusive. The bitch don't be kind.